Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft spent a combined $29 trillion on research and development in Q1 of 2020. This is why they will continue to dominate global business. Remember that next time when you're hesitant to invest $100. If you think that dividend investing is a slow way to become rich, ask yourself again, are you smarter than Warren Buffett? If the U.S. government hired every unemployed American and paid them $58,000 a year, it would cost $1.1 trillion annually. I've been aware of that a lot of you guys are not making that thumb turn blue. Please do that so we can reach more people on YouTube so I can buy more dividend stocks and retire early. We always try to show you new ways to make that passive income on our channel, but you also need to do your homework, even if you trust us on every stock we show here. Publicly traded companies are required to release their balance sheets for everyone to see. It's free to look them up. You can find them on sites like MarketWatch or Yahoo Finance. Goal is to find out whether or not the company is financially stable. Balance sheets are one of the first places to look when researching a company. You should also check some ratios as debt to equity, current ratio, quick ratio, net debt to enterprise value. The main thing is to look how much cash company holds. If they have plenty of cash, you know they'll be able to get through tough times like the one we live in 2020. The liability section shows what companies own. Like I said in my previous episodes, sometimes when you are a beginner in stock market, best way is to go with some of the big ETFs. Some of you send me emails about high dividend yield stocks that I would recommend. I personally don't chase yield because that is not my focus when I am buying a share of a company. But for all of you who love them, this video is for you guys. So please smash that like button and don't forget to share this video. Today, we will show high dividend yield example with these 4 companies. Ticker symbol AGNC, market cap $7.7 billion, price $13.58, 5-year performance down 29% during the pandemic. Dividend yield 10.87%. Annual payout, $1.49. They are paying monthly dividend. Ticket symbol, GAIN. Market cap, $331 million. Price, $9.26. 5-year performance, up 25%. Dividend yield, 8.44%. Annual payout, 84 cents. They are paying monthly dividend. Ticker symbol, IRM. Market cap, $8.2 billion. Price, $28.09. 5-year performance, down 7% during the pandemic. Dividend yield, 8.9%. Annual payout, $2.47. They are paying quarterly dividend. Ticker symbol, ET. Market cap, $17.7 billion. Price, $6.50. 5-year performance, down for 78%. The decrease in demand of oil is beating them up badly. Dividend yield, 19.12%. Annual payout, $1.22. They are paying quarterly dividend. Average dividend yield of this portfolio is 11.83%. Of course, this is coming with risk. The reason why I'm warning you to do your own research and not chase dividend yield. I understand nobody wants to get rich slow like this guy, but that is the right way to do it. No matter how much money you make, $25,000 per year, $60,000 per year, $85,000 per year, $250,000 per year. The key to growing wealth is always the same. Make money, use your money to make more money, live below your means. That is the secret everyone's been looking for.